Okay, hey guys, it's Sasha. I am excited to finally do one of these videos where I am showing you the kits that I'm going to be using for the month, planning them out. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is going to be for the month of February. I plan my kits in these little Park Hopper albums from Scribble Prints Co. I have a little kit sticker, and then I just put a little sticker here so I know this one is specifically for my kits, because I have a bunch of these that I store them in, which you will see as I am picking them out. Okay, so I went ahead and started my organization with these little stickers from Scribble Prints Co. starting with the first week of the first week of February, just because that's just how it ended up when I had the previous month's kits. This was the first one I started. So I just put them all in here, and it goes this until July. So the last week of June. Then I just put the extra little stickers here. So you can see I have a couple kits that I already have planned. Like that's my dad's birthday, my brother's birthday, and this was my birthday. So yeah, I'll go ahead and show you the first kit, and then we can pick out the rest. So we have to pick out 1, 2, 3, and then I think I will go ahead and do the last one, 4. So 4 kits to choose. Okay, so the very first week here is January 31st through the 6th, and my birthday is the 1st of February, so I'm going to be using this kit here. I love this kit so much. I used this kit last year, not for 2020, for Halloween, and I got this Ultimate in a Misfit kit sale. Oh, I just love this art. It came with this little freebie. I just love the horror, but it's still pink. It's just so pretty. So yeah, I'm using this for my birthday. It's definitely me. You guys know I love Halloween, and I love the spread. When I did it for Halloween, it looked so cute. So I'm super excited to use this. It was meant to be, I think, and we're going to pick out the foil because I'm not quite sure on my foil yet, but that'll be for the first week of February. Now, the rest of them, I am not sure. So, because for the month of February, I'm going to grab another album. For the month of February, I like to do just all kit themes that I just love since it's my birthday month. So let's just go through and see what I have. This one here is so it has a Disney castle sticker, but this really just means fandom. So Disney, Star Wars, any fandom. Harry Potter's in here. I just put them all in here. So I maybe an Alice in Wonderland kit. I won't take that one out. So I'm just gonna go through. This is really bothering me. I'm gonna flip this. This would be a good one, actually, a Star Wars / Valentine's kit. Okay, I'll keep that one out. Harry Potter. I do love this one, but I don't think I want to use it this month. I have that one too. Extra Coraline kit. Herbology. Okay, maybe that's it for that one. I have the next album here. It has a little jack-o'-lantern. This is for seasons. So yeah, all my seasonal kits. So I tried to do it in order, but then it gets out of order when you get new kits. So I don't think there'll be anything except for in the back when I have Valentine's Day kits. Oh yeah, let's see. Oh, there's this one, which I do love, but I think I want to use the other one. Okay, I think I want to use this kit for sure, because I meant to use this, I think, last year for Halloween, for Valentine's Day. So I will take that one out. Okay, and then the last one is this one here, which is, I just put this little cute little Paper Shire sticker. This is my Anytime album, filled with Anytime case. Oh yeah, I was thinking of this one just because I love space theme, galaxy themes, and I haven't done one in a while, and it's purple, so maybe that one. Ooh, this would be a good one too, but let's see what else, just to make sure. Ooh, I like this one too. This is gonna be hard. I do love books. Oh, I was thinking this Candyland one for my birthday. Oh gosh, I think I'm about to run out of room. Because it's such a cute theme, and I don't know when else I would use it, so why not use it during my birthday month? Why not? That one's cute too. Let's see what else we got here. Oh yeah, I think I really wanted to use this one because I love it. And it's pinky themed. This is the August 2021 mystery, and it came with a foil. Oh, I guess I put the foil in the other one. This one, ooh, Or this one too. I love this kind of like, this is the cloud busting. I just love this theme. Okay, I think those are all of them. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so these are all of the kits. Oh, they're all, oh no, we have a Sticky Essentials. Okay, these are all of the kits here. I think for sure, let's lay them out. For sure, I think I want to use this one for Valentine's Day week, just because I didn't use it last year and I need to use it up. So we'll use that one for Valentine's Day week. And then I think I definitely, ooh, oh no. How many did I say? 5? I forgot already. Let me count. 4. Okay, so I have 1. So I need 3 more. Oh, I don't know. Because I think I'm really going to use this one. Oh, you know, this would be a good one going into March. This would also be cute just in March too. Because like, there's nothing really happening in March and I could just use this one in March. Because why not? Okay, maybe. I really want to use a space kit just because I love space and galaxy and this would be the perfect time for my birthday. So, okay, we're going to use that one. So then I don't think I'm going to use this one because it kind of has like galaxy vibes, really pretty. And this would be a good anytime kit. Okay, and then this is really cute. Oh, but I think I want to use this one just because it's so pretty. Yeah, okay, so I think I definitely want to use that one. So that's 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay, then 1 more. Yeah, so we're not gonna use that one. Oh, the reason I'm debating is because this one, I don't know when else I would, oh, I guess maybe if I like anniversary or something. Not that I'm like kind of dating someone, kind of not. You guys know how that goes. So I'm like, this would just be cute because it's like February and I love Star Wars. But this one I just love because it's candy. Okay, I think I'm gonna save this one for March because that actually is a cute idea. And I think I'm just gonna use this one, that way I can use it up and it makes sense to me because it's like Valentine's Day themed. Okay, we got them all, I think. All right, I'm gonna put this one back in this, and then let's pick out the weeks that they're gonna go in. Okay, is this the right amount? For some reason, this looks like a lot. Oh wait, this would be a cute thumbnail. Let me get the thumbnail picture. All right. Okay, so like I said, this first week is going to be my birthday week. Definitely use that then. Can't wait. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, and then we'll skip over here. Valentine's Day is the 14th, so definitely want to use this one for Valentine's Day. This is called Love Spell, in case you're wondering, from Sticky Essentials. I think I already said that. Okay, perfect. Oh, now which one? Okay, I think I'm gonna do this one. Oh, that's that week. Just kidding. I kind of don't want to use this one here. Since I'm doing a Valentine's Day, I kind of want to mix it up. So let's do, oh, but I don't want, okay, this one. Yep, let's do this one. The reason I chose that is because this one is like kind of a random theme. And then I just feel like the space one is kind of like similar color vibes. So then we'll do this one. Then we'll have a really cute one this week. Then we'll have Valentine's. And then we can do, oh, I kind of wanted to separate out the Valentine's Day. But I guess that's just not gonna happen. Okay, so then I guess I'll just do this one the week after Valentine's, because why not? And then this will be into March. And then I may just go ahead and put this one. I know we're not planning March, but I think I'll just go ahead and just do this on the first week of March. After that, because I just to remind myself that I want to use it in March. Okay, so I think that's good. Okay, so let's see. So we have my birthday dead inside, and then we'll do this really cute kit just because I love it. Then we'll do my Valentine's Day kit. Then we'll do the Star Wars Lovey kit just because I love it. And then we'll do a space one because it would be cute. Okay, so now we got to pick out the foil. Okay, so let's see. I keep my foil bundles in this little Simply Gilded thing here. Just keep them all in. So first, let me see if I have a celestial one to match that one. Right off the bat. I know I want to do that, and that would be easy. Yeah, here we go. So I found these little extras too, kind of galaxy with hollow that I'm just gonna put in here to try to remind myself to use it. And then I have this celestial foil bundle in, I think this is sparkly hollow. I don't mind mixing hollow and sparkly hollow. Little foil bundle here, which is always so cute. So I'm gonna do that. Although Caress Press does have a really cute like alien theme bundle that I may buy, but maybe I should just save my money since I have this. It is super cute though. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna put that there. All right, so we got one down. We're gonna do that one there. Let's see. Oh, okay. I already know this one for sure. Let's get that one out. Where is it? Okay, I found it. I don't know what, I kept missing it. Okay, so with this one here, this was the foil that originally came with it, and I love this foil so much. It's just the hearts in Lavender Hollow from Scribble Prints Co. And I got this entire thing in a misfit kit. Can you believe that? Oh, I love that bottom washi. So I'm going to put these together. Gonna be such a cute little spread. I'm excited about that one. All right, so I'll go ahead and put that there. Perfect. And then this one, you know what? I think, let me double check though. No, I guess I can show you. So I have this one, this color, that I think it would be too much for that, but yeah, it's probably too much for that too. It doesn't match that either. Okay, never mind. I also have this really like light pink stars, but I don't think it'll match anything. Oh, that could be a cool contrast. Do you guys see? I feel like that could, with this, that could be a cool contrast. Oh, because it kind of matches this like, are we gonna do that? Okay, I'm gonna keep that out because maybe. And then I have this gold star hollow from Scribble Prints Co. that I got in that misfit pull thing that she did. And then maybe this could work. I was thinking like a heart, but I may just do this because I have it. And why not? Let's look through the rest of this kit. Oh, am I supposed to show you guys all of the kits? I just realized I didn't show you all of them. Okay, we'll do that at the end. Okay, so this is in matte. Oh, and I think this gold hollow will really pop. Don't you think? Oh yeah, especially like that. I mean, I do think Champagne Lights would be like the best option. It would be gorgeous on this. I'm gonna double check my gold section. Yeah, I think that'd be really pretty. So that way it's also like not too many hearts, even though it is Valentine's week. I don't think it's that big of a deal. Okay, so we're gonna keep that, but I am gonna double check my gold section just to make sure. Okay, so we just need some foil for this. And I'm not one to have to use foil every single week. I just like to go look through my foil, and if there's something that matches, then I will do it. Because I was thinking this kit, I may not do foil, or I may just like pull from my stash and not necessarily need like a bundle. And look at these pinks. I have this kind of like brighter pink here, as you can see. That was maybe, no, that one doesn't match. Okay. And then I have this like sparkly pink kind of stuff. Oh, that could match. See, I think that one's like a little, that does match, but I feel like it's a little too similar and it won't pop. Okay. Could bring in some, this like black with that pink. You think it's too matchy-matchy? I may bring in the bottom washi though. Yeah, oh, that'd be cute, don't you think? The black bottom washi with that. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep that there. I think we got it, so let me show you what I have. And I realized I didn't go through all the kits, because that's what people do on these things, right? I think I already showed you this one though. So birthday week, we have Dead Inside, which I'm so excited about. I'm gonna bring in this hot pink star foil, and this was actually a misfit because it's like more sheen. So we have that, and then I'm gonna bring in, I think, this black bottom washi to kind of mix it up, and then I just have this silver heart foil to bring in a couple of the hearts. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do, but I just want to keep it all together so I can remember that I have all these options when I make this spread. I think it'll be cute. Okay, the next week we have August 2021 Mystery, just because I think it's such a pretty kit. I love it so much. I'll quickly go through. It's like an 80s theme. I'm sure you guys have seen it. It is very pretty. Oh, I can't wait to use it. I just love the colors. And since it was a mystery, you get like extra boxes here and then there. Okay, and then the foil I'm going to use is exactly what came with it, which is the hearts in lavender hollow, which I think would be very pretty. So I don't need to put it back in the cello. I'll just put it all back in here. And then Valentine's Day week, I'm going to use the Sticky Essentials kit in Love Spell. I think we went through it right on here. Yeah, we did. So this one with Gold Star Hollow, which I think will be cute and it'll pop. Okay, lastly, the February 21st through the 27th, I'm going to use this Scribble Prints Co. Fangirl, which was like a Star Wars Valentine's Day kit that came out last year, I think. And I don't plan to do any foil right now with this one, but it's just so cute. I can take a little break on foil. Oh, I love that. I forgot about that. That's awesome. And then the bottom washi, and then the little add-on there. So love that. Okay, and then the last week of February, February 28th through March 6th, I'm going to do this Galaxy kit just because I love Galaxy themes, and why not? So this is called Galaxy. So these are the full boxes, flip through it. So pretty. Bottom washi, and then it came with some extra girls here for your freebies. I got the bottom washi, and then these girls to add on because I like the little car and the girl's hair here, and then the label add on. This is gonna be a really cute spread too. I'm super excited. I've been wanting to use this kit for a while now. And then the foil we're going to do is just this Celestial Sparkly Hollow from Scribble Prints Co. And then I'm going to try to bring in some of these extras from this Galaxy foil bundle, like maybe the headers, or I mean the date covers, I don't know. Definitely some of the icons and stuff, just to try to use it up. Yes, so that, let me put it back. All right, so those are all of my February kits that I have chosen. I'm super excited about it now. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.